My name is Justin Carlisle. I'm the chef owner of Red Light Ramen, also of Ardent and Laughing Taco. Today we are in Red Light Ramen. We're going to talk about the kits that we have that we've been turned into wholesale. Obviously, through the pandemic has kind of boosted this thought process that we had. We actually started it roughly the year before the pandemic, so we started in 19. As a takeout and delivery option, which we never offered before at Red Light Ramen. So we've designed the packaging to make it very easy, efficient for people to do at home, whether you have a stovetop or a microwave that you can do it. Simple instructions for microwave and stovetop. Obviously time varies, but we're roughly looking at 5 to 6 minutes. And then simply labeled dishes with all the ingredients and everything on it. Noodles that we're going to have, we offer them that are already pre-cooked noodles, which will take less time, less variable that you can do at home. Toppings that go along with it. And then the soup based on each one of them. We're going to have 3 varieties of it. The pork tonkatsu is going to be the original that we started with. That's how the whole restaurant started. We started as a pop-up at Ardent back 7 years ago. When we got our storefront 5 years ago, right across the hallway from Ardent. Then we're gonna have chicken python, which is gonna be a chicken and potato base. I'll go along with it. And then we came along with a vegan style, which is gonna be a mushroom miso. Real local means, everything to me. As we've described a little bit, just like Sendik's, my family, I grew up by La Crosse, so we have a family beef farm that I grew up on. Which is now wonderful in my profession that I can turn around. So now I'm the sole buyer for all of my family's beef to be able to turn around and support my parents and support the farm and to keep that going along with us. And to kind of take that mindset of what we have with our restaurants in Milwaukee, working with Sendik along with it, working with as simple as knife makers that we have, people to make our utensils, people that make our plates. Our tabletops are from friends that I went to college with. All of these types of things that we want to orchestrate, whether it's fine dining at Ardent to a casual and fun dining as Red Light Ramen, or to extremely kind of grab and go as a taco is that it's rooted within Milwaukee and within Wisconsin.